next part, which is maxima and minima. Now, in case of maximum minima, we had already discussed how to find the maximum and minimum value of the quadratic equation, as well as maxima and minima for the modulus equation. Now, in maximum and minima, the few of the things which are important here. The first thing, that if sum of positive numbers is constant, if the sum of the positive numbers is constant, then their product is maximum, when all the numbers are equal. Again, this is important thing. I repeat once again. If the sum of positive numbers are constant, then their product is maximum when all the numbers are equal. Now, let's take a couple of application of this logic here. For example, if I say a plus b plus c is equal to, let's say, 8, and we need to find out what is the max, okay, where a, b, c, all the three terms are positive, and we need to find out what is the maximum value of a, b, c. Now, if the sum of the three numbers is 8, then their product is maximum when all the three numbers are equal. So, can I say each of the number will become 8 by 3, 8 by 3 and 8 by 3. So, simply put, a equal to 8 by 3, b equal to 8 by 3, c equal to 8 by 3. So, the maximum product will comes out to be 8 by 3 whole raised to power 3. So, this is the maximum value of ABC. Similarly, if I say a plus b plus c is equal to 8, and we need to find out what is the maximum value of a plus 1 into b plus 2 into c plus 3. And let's make a change, that is equal to 6. Now remember one thing which is important. If a plus b plus c equal to 6, we need to find out a plus 1 into b plus 2 into c plus 3. So straight away we cannot put the value a equal to 2, b equal to 2, c equal to 2. Since we need to find out the product of these three numbers, so these three must be equal. So it means we must know what is the value of a plus 1 plus b plus 2 plus c plus 3. And this will comes out to be, which is equal to 12. Now sum of this is one number, this is another number, and this is another number. Now sum of these three numbers is equal to 12, then the product of these three numbers is maximum when each of the number is same. For example, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. So the maximum product will comes out to be 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64. So it's very important that we cannot put a equal to 2, b equal to 2, and c equal to 2 here. Now similarly, if the same question, if a plus b plus c equal to 6, it has been given to us, and now we need to find out the maximum value of, let's say, a cube, b square and c. Now remember, this is a cube, b square, c. So they are not three terms, but basically these are 6 terms. This is a into a into a into b into c. So in this case, what I need to do, since the power of a is 3, divide a in 3 parts. Can I write down a as nothing but a by 3 plus a by 3 plus a by 3, and write down b as b by 2 plus b by 2 and plus c, which is equal to 6. Why c? Because the power of c is 1. Now, can I say that the sum of the 6th term is equal to 6? So sum of this 6th term is equal to 6. Then the product of this 6th term is maximum when each of the number is equal to 1. So the maximum product of a by 3 into a by 3 into a by 3 into b by 2 into b by 2 into c, that will comes out to be 1. Because each of the term has to be 1 equal. So this is 1, 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 and this is 1. So from here I can say that a cube b square c is equal to nothing but that will be 27 into 4. So this is my maximum value of a cube, b square and c in this case. Okay. Now this is one of the way of doing this one. You can even apply the APGP, that AM is greater than ZM. Okay. And also one more thing, we can also work on the ratios also. Now here the power of A, B and C is nothing but 3, 2 and 1. So divide 6 in the ratio 3:2:1. So if I divide 6 in the ratio 3:2:1, I'll get the number as 3, 2 and 1. So the value of A is equal to 3, value of B is equal to 2 and the value of C equal to 1. So A equal to 3, B equal to 2, C equal to 1. Straight away put these three values in this equation. You'll get the answer that will comes out to be 3 cube into 2 square into 1, which is equal to 27 into 4. So whenever the sum is given and if there are powers, we can use this particular logic. And even we can extend this further for the question like this one. If I say 2a plus 5b is equal to 7 and we need to find out what is the maximum value of a cube b square. So in this case, one of the methods जो अभी discuss किया, or working through the ratios. How we can work through the ratios is divide 7 in two parts such that the ratio is 3:2. Okay, instead of 7 take it, okay, let's take it 3:2. So the first part will be comes out to be nothing but 3/5 into 7 and the second part will be comes out to be 2/5 into 7. But remember one thing, that these are not the values of A and B. This is basically the value of 2A. And this is basically the value of 5B. So from here we can find out the value of A, which is equal to 21/10. And from here we can say that the value of B is nothing but that is 14/25. And now put this value of A and B directly here, you'll get the answer, which is 21/10 raised to power 3 into 14/25 raised to power 2. So this is the maximum value of a cube b square here. Now moving to the next part.